Good day, my name is Albert Danilo Blanco. I am studying the Industrial Engineering program in the SEAT Jose Acevedo Gomez in the city Bogota, DC. In this opportunity, I will briefly explain the case Facebook. This is poster I made about case Facebook. Facebook is an American-based company that offers online social media and social networking service based in Menlo Park, California, USA. This is problem 3. The main problem is massive exodus of Facebook employees. The possible causes are leakage and improper manipulation of user data and mistreatment of personnel, legal problems in many countries, frustration feeling derived from the things the first must do to solve public image problems, and false news. And the effects or consequences are weak internal company policies, false purchases in the stock markets, problems in hiring personnel, worldwide technical failures in the platform, and desertion of active users. Thank you very much for your attention. See you soon.